Hello, I am Pankaj Sharma from PN Expert. Today we will learn the basics of DES encryption, and we will also walk through a simple example. DES is a method that scrambles a message using a secret key. Only someone with the same key can unscramble it. Step 1. The message is broken into blocks. Each block is 64 bits long. A bit is just a 0 or a 1. Step 2. The secret key is 64 bits long, but every 8th bit is only for error checking. So the real strength is 56 bits. Step 3 is the initial permutation. This just shuffles the bit positions. The bits do not change, only their locations. Step 4 is the main engine. There are 16 rounds. Each round splits the block into left and right halves. The right half is mixed with the key passed through S boxes, then combined with the left half using XOR, and then the halves swap. Step 5. After all rounds, the halves rejoin and one final permutation happens. This is the inverse of the first permutation. In summary, the ciphertext equals the inverse IP of the 16-round function applied to the initial permutation of the message with the key. Now, let us do a tiny example with a 4-bit block and a 1-bit key. Our message is 1011. Step 1. Initial permutation. We move the last bit to the front, so 1011 becomes 1101. Step 2. Split into halves. The left side is 11, and the right side is 01. Step 3. The round function. Our key is 1. We mix the key with the right side to get 11. Then we do X, or with the left side. 11X, or 11 gives 00. Step 4. Swap the halves. The old right side becomes the new left, and the XOR result becomes the new right. So we get 0100. Step 5. Final permutation. We reverse the shuffle, so 0100 becomes 1000. That is our ciphertext. To decrypt, your friend runs the same steps in reverse using the same key. That brings the original message back. In this video, we will explain how the Data Encryption Standard, or DES, processes data. We will focus on blocks, padding, and the 16 miles of encryption. Step 1. DES ignores lines of text. It converts the entire message into a single stream of bits. Think of the message as a long row of zeros and ones. Step 2. DES splits the bit stream into fixed-size chunks of 64 bits, which is 8 bytes. If the last chunk is too small, padding is added to fill it. Step 3. Each 64-bit block is encrypted separately. Each block goes through an initial permutation, then 16 rounds, and finally a last permutation to produce one encrypted block. Step 4. All encrypted blocks are placed back to back. This gives the final ciphertext. Example, suppose a message is 800 bytes. Since each block holds 8 bytes, we divide 800 by 8, and we get 100 blocks. If the message is 805 bytes, we get 100 full blocks and 5 bytes left over. Since DES needs 64 bits, we add 3 bytes of padding to fill the last block. Summary: DES uses 64-bit blocks, 16 rounds, and a Feistel structure. The key is 64 bits, but only 56 are used for security. That is the block-level view of how DES encrypts data. Each block is processed independently, and pattern ensures every block has exactly 64 bits.